Hello everyone, and I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on the screen of the JBL Live Beam 3 case. So first of all, open your JBL headphones application on your phone. Find the case settings in your main menu. Here how it looks like. Press here, and now you'll see your option of the lock screen wallpaper. Also, you can adjust brightness here, allow or not allow message notification, change language, etc. So now let's tap on some preset wallpaper and let's choose one of those. There is also an option of uploading your own image to set it as your lock screen wallpaper. So in order to do that, find this section, press on the plus. You can either take photo or choose from album. Let's click on that, and here you can choose from one of your photos. Click on your photo, crop it to make it look perfect on your headphones case. Press next, press upload, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.